Reading, analyzing, and understanding workplace documents is a critical skill that employees need to navigate the complexities of modern workplaces effectively. Before diving into any document, it's essential to understand its purpose. Ask yourself, why was this document created? What is its intended audience? Understanding the purpose will provide context and guide your interpretation of the content. Begin by skimming the document to get an overview of its structure, headings, and key sections. Pay attention to any visual elements such as bullet points, tables, or diagrams, as they can provide valuable information at a glance. Once you have a sense of the document's structure, read through it carefully from start to finish. Take your time to absorb the information, focusing on the main ideas and key points. Pay attention to details such as dates, numbers, and names, as they can have significant implications. Analyze the content of the document critically, considering its accuracy, relevance, and credibility. Look for supporting evidence, references, or data to substantiate any claims or statements made. Question assumptions and identify any inconsistencies or gaps in the information provided. Pay close attention to the language used in the document, including tone, style, and terminology. Consider the audience for whom the document was written and how language choices may impact their understanding or perception. Be aware of any jargon or technical terms and seek clarification if needed. Evaluate the source of the document to assess its credibility and reliability. Consider who wrote or created the document, their expertise, and any potential biases or agendas they may have. Verify information from multiple sources if possible, especially if the document contains important decisions or recommendations. Identify any action items or next steps outlined in the document and make a note of them for follow-up. This may include tasks to be completed, deadlines to be met, or decisions to be made. Create a plan to address each action item effectively and ensure accountability for their completion. If you encounter any terms, concepts, or information that is unclear or confusing, don't hesitate to seek clarification. Reach out to colleagues, supervisors, or subject matter experts for guidance or additional context. It's better to ask questions and ensure understanding than to make assumptions that could lead to misunderstandings or errors. Finally, apply the information gleaned from the document to your work or decision-making process as appropriate. Use it to inform your actions, make informed decisions, and contribute effectively to your team or organization's goals and objectives. By following these steps and approaching workplace documents with a critical and analytical mindset, you can read, analyze, and understand them more effectively, ultimately improving your performance and contributing to the success of your organization. This has been a production of D&J Designs and Mathman 1962.